Hello, you're welcome. Let's have a solution to this very exercise. We have um, integral of 3 cube root of 3 cube root of x dx. Okay. Now, please, uh, this question is actually in application to what we've been doing or continuation of what we've been doing. Now, having looked at this, the first thing you need to do here is to rewrite this very question in a simpler way you will understand. Because as it is now, even me, I'm confused. I don't even know where to start. But if you rewrite this question in a simpler way, obviously you will see it is very, very easy. So this becomes the integral of, how do we write cube root of x is the same thing as x raised to power 1 over 3 as a fractional power law of indices. Okay. When you do it this way, please, I think you can see now it is very, very simple. It is getting clearer. How do we do this now? You are now integrating with the respect of this. So the power of x now is what? 1 over 3, which means it will now be x raised to power 1 over 3. Remember, as we integrate, we are adding 1 in the power. Then we divide both. We divide now all through by the power itself. And the whole of the power is this, which is 1 over 3 plus 1. Now, you remember now that normally in your fraction, when you have 1 over 3 plus 1, you are looking for the LCM of these two. The LCM is 3. 3 and 1 is 3. This by this 1 times 1, 1 plus 3 times 1, 3. 3 plus 1 is what? 4 over 3. So now this is the power, the value of the power, which means we are rewriting it now as x raised to power 4 over 3 divided by 1 over 3 plus 1 is already 4 over 3. So having done this, you've done the right thing. You can put your plus c. Okay. Now the whole of this now can be, remember, this is division. This is power. Here is not a power. So which means we can write it x raised to power 4 over 3 divided by 4 over 3. To make it simpler, you can say it is, change the division to multiplication. It is x raised to power 4 over 3 times 3 over 4. We inverse it. Remember, this 3 is to multiply x and not to multiply the power. So it will give us 3x. 3 times x is 3x raised to power 4 over 3. Then all over what? All over 4. Since 3 cannot be divided by 4, they cannot divide themselves. You leave it this way. Add your plus c to show that it is integration. Then number 2, we have integral of x raised to power 5 plus 1 over x raised to power 3 plus square root of x, okay, dx. Now, still remain the same. First of all, rewrite them, okay? They may look ambiguous, or if they look ambiguous, you disambiguate it. So it's not a big deal. Just make them to look as simple as you will understand. How do we do that? This one is already very fine. This one is fine. You leave it that way, x raised to power 5. But me, I don't understand here. So since I don't understand here, please do it, reduce it to the way you understand. Remember, this is 1 over 3. So if I have 1 over a, 1 over a is what? A raised to power minus 1, right? So it's obvious. So I will now write it as x raised to power minus 3. Then plus, what is square root of x is as same thing as x raised to power 1 over 2. Okay? So dx. Now, having done it this way, we can now start our integration because it has now looked like what we know. Having done this, so what do we do now? Integrate x raised to power 5. It will be x. The power of 5, x is 5, plus 1, 6. You divide it by 6, right? Then plus x, the power of x here is what? Minus 3. Because it's minus 3, add 1 to it. Minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. So we have x raised to power minus 2 plus, here is fraction. Half plus 1. Half plus 1 is 1 and half. And 1 and half is 3 over 2. So I can have like x raised to power 3 over 2. I believe you understand it now. 1 half plus 1 is obviously 3 over 2. Okay. Sorry, we did x raised to power minus 2. Please reduce, divide it by minus 2. Here we have x raised to power 3 over 2. Okay, in case if you don't know what I did, this and this is what? 2. This by this 1 times 1, 1 plus. This by this, 2. 2 times 1 is what? 2. 1 plus 2 is 3 over 2. That is what I did here. Now, divide it also by 3 over 2. Okay? Now, you add plus C to show you have integrated. Now, what do we do now? This will now be, having done this, we have that x raised to power 6 over 6 plus, here is inverse, right? Is inverse. So I'm going to still have it as 1, okay? If I take inverse of, if I have x raised to power minus 2 over 2, okay? Now, this is the same thing as saying 1 over x raised to power 2, right? Then over 2, okay? Remember, this is the main division, so it will give us 1 over x raised to power 2 divided by 2. This will give us 1 over x, okay? X raised to power 2, this is over 1, so times 1 over 2. So that it will now be 1 times 1 is 1 over 2x raised to power 2. Please, I know why I did this thing, so that you may not be confused on what I'm supposed to do here direct. So it means the whole of this, sorry, here is minus, okay? Here is minus, that means here is minus, here is also minus. So if I put minus here, so there will be minus here. So here now we turn to minus of 1 over 2x raised to power 2, then plus. Now here we are having also x raised to power 3 over 2 all over, okay, or we say divided by 3 over 2, which means x raised to power 3 over 2 times 2 over 3. So this will give us 2 times x will give us 2x raised to power 3 over 2 over 3. So we are going to have here, the whole of there will be 2x raised to power 3 over 2, then over 3. Okay, so having done this, nothing else. So you remember your plus C. Nothing else will divide. Since nothing else will divide, okay, let's check. There is nothing else that can divide. So you can possibly leave your answer this way. That means this is actually the integration of this. Please like this video and share. If you have any question, you drop at the comment section.